we are seeing dramatic losses in honeybees. The fact that we have seen in excess of 62% losses in our colonies, that is a point that we don't want to become the norm, because at that point we will have net losses in our honeybees each year, and eventually that will lead to some serious problems for our honeybee population and for all the industries that depend on them. Parasites like the varroa mite have become powerful enemies of the honeybees because these honeybees don't have the effective genetic means of controlling them innately built in. When these parasites attack the bees, they are going to make every other issue that the bees are dealing with worse.
The term killer bee is a term that was given by sensationalist media to the Africanized bee, which is a hybrid honeybee between honeybees of European descent and those of the sub-Saharan African descent, and they hybridized here in North America as early as the 1950s. A few research programs in the United States are conducting research with Africanized bees, and they're trying to learn what makes them so successful, because they have a lower tendency to get infected with viruses, with parasitic mites. And so there's something about their genetics that's very positive, and we could potentially exploit to improve the genetic material of honeybees.
Anybody who is dependent on consuming produce is going to be impacted by what happens to our bees, because they are so intimately connected with our system of food security. Something that we can affect change in right now is also planting flowers and making sure that the bees have all the nutrition that they need, because these huge swaths of just grassy fields aren't providing anything of nutritional value to any of the bees, and they really, really, really need help with that right now.